So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to the link which I'll leave down below in the description. You want to download this mini tool partition wizard. You want to scroll down and then click on download now. Now it's downloading. Now we're going to install this. Click on yes. Select your language, click on OK. And we're going to be using the free version for this. Click on next. And by the way, once you're done with this, you could just uninstall it. We just need to use it one time. So we're going to click on next again. You're going to select where you want to install it. Click on next. Now it's downloading. Now it's been installed, we're going to launch mini tool partition wizard and then click on finish. It's then going to launch automatically. Now we're on this. Now once you're on here, you should see your disk and you should see if you have any unallocated space. Now for me I do, so you want to right click on it and then click on create. And then you want to set your partition label. You can name this as anything you want. I'm just going to call it speedy tutorials. You can set your file system, NTFS, FAT32, etc. Your drive letter, I'm just going to make it the H drive. And then you're going to click on OK. And now once you've done this, you're going to click on apply. Click on yes. Now that's been done, we're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. Then you want to click on this PC. And as you can see, I have it right here. If you want to delete this application, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to scroll down until we find the mini tool partition wizard. You can delete both of them. So you're going to click on the three dots, click on uninstall, and then uninstall it. And then click on yes. Repeat that for the other one as well, and then you're done.